Hello YouTubers out there, welcome back. Here again, just to keep my promise, because some weeks ago, maybe a month ago, I did a quick unboxing about this solar panel. This is the ones that unfolds. This is a travel one, and this is from a company called Photonic Universe, photonicuniverse.com. This is 12 watts. 12 watts. Here you have it. Okay, so I did a quick unboxing about this solar panel, and if you wanted, you can check that video. I talk about some details about this solar panel, like weight and specifications. But today I'm not because of that. I'm here just to do a simple test, because I told you I will find a way just to compare the energy output of this thing. I have to tell you that during this summer I used it on a bike trip, and I was quite confident, and I like the efficiency of this thing. So what I did was I found a app called Ampere, and this is an application that measures the power output, in this case the power input on your device. We are going to test this thing. So I have to tell you that I bought these hooks here. It didn't come with these things. This is aluminum ones. The reason of that is because I wanted something very light that I could bring with me on my backpack, or on my bicycle. And this is very great to strap it behind your bicycle. Now let's open this thing. You can see it, and on the back I have this cord. Now I have to tell you, the cord and the hooks were not included. These were mine. And there is a output of 2 amperes and 1 ampere. Let's try it first with 1. Let's place it on 1 ampere. Is the one with less power, and let's connect my smartphone to this thing here. Now let's see how much power it delivers. I will place it here. This is a sunny day. 750 milliamperes. This is the input power in my smartphone, and it remains steady. Perfect. Now let's try the 2 amperes ports, and let's check if it's any difference. Something different about that, we have to check. Here you go. 2. Wow, let's place it here. Fantastic. Hook there, and now let's check. It's measuring right now. Well, I have to tell you, it's not too much of a difference. It says 740 milliamperes. Okay, this is test 1. For now, it's about less than 1 ampere. It's not too bad, because if you are going to ride your bicycle and you leave your power bank charging, it will charge during the day, no problem. I have to say that the way I want to use this solar panel is not directly to my smartphone, because it's not too good. When you pass a shadow area, it starts pause the charging. It can be bad for your device. And the other reason is because I'm using my smartphone as the GPS navigator. Well, and this is my quick test. I hope it's useful for you with these indicators, this data. It's not very scientific, but I hope it's good for you to have an idea how these things work. I have to tell you that when I connect my smartphone with its original charger, the manufacturer's charger, it charges about 1600 milliamperes. 1600, it goes up to 1700, and lowest is about 1500. So it's about that input power. Hope this is useful for you, and I will do maybe another test in the following days with a stronger sunlight, just to see if we can get some different readings between one port and the other. And if I get, I will do another video just to tell you that. For now on, enjoy yourself, have fun, and see you next time.